Hello, my dear friends. This is Dr. Suresh Shenvi. One of my very good viewer from Aspire 32 belongs to the period where they lost almost 1.5 years of the dental school, and he is worried and wants to know if this is going to affect, or they want to know whether how it is going to affect their future. Now I'm sharing some of my experiences here, and I hope that helps you in clearing some of this apprehension. First, the fact is definitely going to remain that majority of you, if you are not done a simple procedure, something like you may have done amalgam but you have not done composite even once because of this COVID issue, or maybe there were many treatment modalities which you were not able to do. Maybe it is just an impression which you have to take, but because of the situation you were not able to. That is definitely going to affect you. But it is more about losing the confidence in this work rather than not being able to do it. Now, what I'm trying to tell you here is that many of these procedures are actually very simple, and the issue is not about performing these in the patients when you start your clinical practice, but it is more about that you don't feel confident, and that is why you may always stop, or think twice, or may avoid doing such treatment. And this happens, and it is not that it is specifically for you because of the COVID. Now let me give you a few examples. I was a studious student during my undergraduation, scored very well, but during that time we were not allowed to do root canal treatment in patients. We had done basic cavity preparations, and maybe one or two dentures, and restorations, because that time there was a different scenario. We had good theoretical background but very less patient exposure. Now the dental schools are more open. They allow the students. I'm talking about the dental schools of India. And then that made me realize that I'm not confident. I don't have skill which I have to develop. So I worked very hard. I got a very good seat for my post graduation, and it was a very wonderful experience. But what I realized is the real post graduation starts after your post graduation, because there were so many things which I had never done, so many new file systems, so many treatment modalities which I had not done in my post graduation because of many reasons. For example, you want to try CAD CAM ceramic, or you want to, there are so many new materials. The college never used to provide us. I had no money to get it, but whatever material we got from the department, we did that. So that also made me, that also made me feel that there are so many things which I had not done in my post graduation. For example, I had done very less endodontic surgeries, and I was always fear. I had always less confidence in endodontic surgeries. But what was the advantage of that is that I tried to treat majority of cases, even large lesions, non-surgically, and that is how I developed skill in the non-surgical endodontics, and I'm quite confident of treating even large lesions. I always try to treat it non-surgically. So it is not necessary that even if you had done all this treatment, you would have a lot of confidence. That is because you have so many challenges, so many new cases which will come every day in your practice. So it is always a learning process, and you really don't have to worry that you lost that time. And I know that it is easier said than going through that phase. But I would also like to give you few important tips which you might do at this moment which can help you. See, because COVID, you have lost, there are basically two things which are affected here. One is your theoretical, and the second being the practical aspect. Now, I personally believe that you can learn theory of dentistry without dental school. And Aspire 32, I put videos with the same aim. There are so many good channels on YouTube. If you just find and visit and want to learn about those topics, you can have amazing teachers on this platform teaching you very well. So learning theory is not difficult unless you don't have interest in learning. Just saying that I have lost time and not putting effort to cover up, or by making some effort to learn those aspects at least theoretically, then it is your mistake, and nobody else can actually help you in that. So do visit YouTube channels, try to read few subjects, correlate. You have a lot of time during COVID, you have to do that. As far as the practical is concerned, and I know that it will be difficult now, but there are few things which you can do. Some of this may not be a very proper guidance because some people may not like it, but I will still share that with you. The first thing is that after your internship, try to go into post graduation, put a lot of effort and do a post graduation, which will give you a lot of confidence. There is no doubt a post graduation gives you a lot of confidence if you done very well in that branch, and then you have to learn all the other stuff. You can always work under a very good dentist. You can see some of the podcasts which I have released on Aspire 32. Many of them, before going to foreign countries, they were able to get good guidance with good mentors working under them, and they treating them more than what they have taught. They teaching them more than what they have learned in the dental school. So you can learn under someone, maybe in a very general dentistry, and it does help. Many of the students who go abroad and they have to appear for this practical examination, so they buy these cast, these typhos, jaws, and they practice. And YouTube has very good channels where you can see the procedure and do it. Even if you had joined dental college, it is not that you are able to do it within 1 or 2 or 3 cases. Similarly, on typhus also, it takes time to learn. So you are really worried, that can help you. You can even continue working in the dental school on a post, because if you are scared, you can, in the dental schools, you have your colleagues, your teachers still, and they can guide you if you are doing cases, and you don't have to have that fear, because in private practice you may be very worried about mistake, but if you are in the college scenario for a few months extra, then you can do lot of patients, and there are colleagues. If you do mistakes, that won't cause a major issue for you. So these are the few tips which I feel that you can do. But overall, don't be scared. It is a temporary setback. Dentistry is learned over many years. You may not learn everything in dental school, so there are so many opportunities, so many new modalities to learn dentistry, and every day there are new challenges. So I hope this small talk helps in order to know how you can overcome this situation. If you have any other questions, or if you have any suggestions for our viewers, please do write in the comment section, and take care. Bye.